So cold. Hey Emma. Hey Maria. Long time no see. I'm so glad we finally get a chance to catch up. How have you been? All good. I've been assisting in an English class in the evenings lately. Oh really? So you've been helping the teacher like an assistant? No, I mean I'm going to the class. Oh, so you mean you're attending the class then? Attending, not assisting. Yes. Anyway, I also got a part-time job. Nice. Are you enjoying it? Yeah, especially my colleagues. They're really sensible. Like, they're practical and logical. No, I mean, they care about people and they want to know how I feel about things. Ah, then you mean sensitive. Sensitive, not sensible. English is brutal sometimes. Tell me about it. Anyway, now that I have this job, I'm pretending to go to France next year. Pretending? So you're faking it? What? No, I'm really going. Okay, so you're planning to go. That's what I said. False friends. They seem trustworthy until they betray you. In this dialogue, we had 3 words that are considered to be false friends between Portuguese and English. So the first word we had was assist. In English, we say attend, like attend a class. The second one was the confusion between sensitive and sensible. So when you are sensible, it's kind of like being wise and logical and reasonable, making good decisions. Whereas if you are sensitive, you might be more emotional and more in touch with your feelings. So the third pair of words were plan and pretend. So in English, we use pretend whenever we talk about acting, like you are pretending to be somebody else or you are acting the part of somebody else. Whereas in this dialogue, Maria intended to say that she was planning a trip. Can you think of any other words that are false friends between your language and English? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.